So you want to make money with clipping? Well, I recently came across a WAP clipping campaign for a new Netflix show called Owning Manhattan, and season 2 just came out. And so what's a better way of making money than clipping a Netflix show that you can watch, make clips for? And as someone who has watched Selling Sunset in the past, which is a Los Angeles based reality real estate show, there's always drama and good moments in these types of shows. So in this video, I'm going to go through the WAP clipping campaign, walk you through it, how to submit the posts that you make, because some good money could be made here. So I'm on WAP, and this WAP channel is called Scene Society, the network behind the networks. And I just came across this, and in this campaign, they were paying $1 per 1,000 views, which is pretty good. But also keep in mind, the minimum payout is $4. So for you to get paid out for these posts, they have to reach a threshold of at least 4,000 views and a maximum payout of $150. So if your video does well beyond 150,000 views, then you won't get paid for that, but still you can get paid a max of $150 per post if you have a viral clip. And of course, you can post this on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. So let's go through the Google Doc here, and it'll walk us through the entire process of what we can and cannot do when we create these clips. So this is the Google Doc, and for those of you who have not seen this show, Owning Manhattan dives into a fast-paced, high-stakes world of luxury real estate through the lens of Serhant, the most followed real estate brand in the world. And this show captures and highlights people and stories shaping New York City's most competitive market in real estate. So that's just about the show itself. If you don't know about the show, do some research about it, which will definitely help you out. And the goal here is to create viral clips promoting the show using only the approved content folder, which is down below right here. And make sure you have on-screen text. Make sure it relates to the clip and drives virality. Please refer to the clips for examples or down below. So let's go through reference 1 right here. So the most important part is having this title card up here, and basically you want to sum up the video into one sentence that will hook the viewer into the video. So as you can see right here, it says, watch how Ryan tries to save a deal that his agent lost. And so on this Google Doc, you can look through these 4 other references here if you're not sure what kind of clips you should make or what they should look like. And of course, your audience has to be tier 1 and tier 2 countries only. So really keep that in mind, because that's really important, because when you hit the threshold of 4,000 views, you will have to submit the analytics to prove that you're in tier 1 and tier 2 countries for your clips. So please keep that in mind. And then there's some caption options that you can go through on your post. And now I'm going to walk you guys through this because I've already submitted a clip and posted one. So I'll walk you through that one since I've already posted that. And of course, hashtags that they want you to put in, hashtag Owning Manhattan, hashtag Serhant, any other hashtags you can think of. And of course, you want to make sure you have these 3 tags in your post. And important right here, in order to be approved, you must send a screen recording for every submission. You need to show full analytics, including locations. Please only use the support chat. Do not DM the owner of the WAP. Do not send analytics until it passes the minimum views. So if your post is at 2,000 views, do not submit the analytics of the screen recording to your post. And of course, your video has to be up for 60 days or else you will be banned from this WAP. And do nots down below here, which are really important. Random background music that's not fitting the tone. So don't add background music that has nothing to do with the video. And don't add a background soundtrack if there's already some music in the background from the raw clip itself, because of course you can't remove that. And having 2 background music tracks on top of each other just won't do well within the algorithm. So keep that in mind. And of course, don't have over edited transitions that distract from the story in the clip. Don't have memes or unrelated pop culture soundtracks unless if it elevates the message of the video. No rage bait stuff, no cross posting / collab posts. And if you have multiple accounts, do not spam the same clips across all the different accounts. You want to make sure you have a different variety of clips. And so that's the entire document that walks you through everything. Again, if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And of course, there is a chat here where if you have any questions where you want a quicker answer, then you could ask that here, and the owner of the WAP or other people in the WAP community will help you out. And so let's click the approved folder right here, and it'll show us all the different content that we can clip from. So as you can see, we are now in the Dropbox, and there are a ton of different pieces of files that we can choose from. And so I have a clip posted, and I actually chose from this file right here, and it's negotiating over a mattress. And so here is the clip right here that I have posted. I'm going to go and refresh it just to see. The post is at 77 views so far, and I have this random clipper account that I post on with all these different WAP and clipping campaigns that I join. And so that's the clip right here. And of course, this raw file, as you can see right here, is 48 seconds, and I got it cut down to 39 seconds. So when you're looking through these raw files in the Dropbox, cut out the dead space, cut out the things that don't matter in the video, and try to get get straight to the point in the clips. And so these are the files you can all choose from. A lot of different stuff that has potential to go viral and to generate a lot of different views, because this show is really popular and anything with Ryan Serhant and his brand is going to do very well. And so that's the basis of this entire WAP that I just came across with clipping this Netflix show, which I'm super excited about. And hopefully in the future, this WAP will upload more Netflix shows to clip for, because clipping for shows is honestly the best part to do, because you get to watch it and make clips and make some money from that. So if any of you guys have any questions regarding clipping, let me know down below in the comment section. And I also have a free Discord community that I will have linked down below. It's free. We all can give free value to one another. So if you want help with making money online with clipping, video editing, UGC, anything like that, make sure to join that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.